Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a SheIn haul, and I ordered from them so many times, but I've never really done a haul on my YouTube channel. So I thought I would show you all the little bits that I got, and of course everything that I've bought, if it's still available, I will leave a link to them down below in the description bar. But anyway, we'll get on to my SheIn haul. First up, I got this skirt, and it's like a skater skirt. It's this faux leather and it has pearls all the way around the front of it. I just thought this was so cute, and I absolutely love wearing skater skirts. I just think they suit me really well, as they normally fit my waist quite well. But I've never actually had a leather one. Like, I've tried it on a few and they've never really looked right. So I thought I took the chance ordering this one, and I did love the pearls on the bottom. It sort of adds a sort of girly edge to it. I also got this, which is like this burgundy maroon long sleeved top. It is quite thin, but I was thinking maybe layering or just under a coat or something would be absolutely fine, and maybe to wear with that skirt I think that would look really cute. But it has these gold sort of fake buttons on both the shoulders and also on the arms right there. I absolutely love this colour, and I always think it suits me quite well. I don't know, you might disagree, but I do look extremely pale on camera more than in person, but I am very pale. But I normally wear a lipstick this coloured one. I think wearing a lipstick with the same coloured top, I think it looks really cute. So it's not cropped or anything, which is really good, as I'm just a bit sick of crop tops. Like, everywhere just has crop tops in it and I don't want them. Now, I know it is going into winter here in the UK. It is freezing. Like today it's only about 5 degrees, it's cold. But I thought this little top was so cute. I know I just said I'm sick of crop tops, but I had to buy this. And it sort of matches my background as well right now. But this is just like a little pink checks top. It has these very thin little straps. And I just thought this was really cute. Maybe to wear with like jeans or something like that. You know when everyone says like jeans and a nice top? I think this was classed as a nice top. But yeah, I just thought this was really cute, and the material is actually really nice. It's like this crepe material, but it's very soft. There is a little stretch to it, not much, but I don't mind. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you will know that I love lingerie and anything like that. So I had to get this completely mesh body, and it has these gorgeous bell sleeves. Like, these are so much fun. But yeah, this is completely mesh, and it is quite high on the leg. But there again, if you're wearing it under something like with jeans, that doesn't matter too much. But this material is so soft. Like, I was not expecting it to feel so soft, but I think this will be really comfortable to wear, maybe just like a bra underneath, and with jeans or skirts, something like that. It can be styled so many different ways, and I had to get it. As soon as I saw it, I was like, yep, that is going in my basket. I also ordered a pair of leggings, and it's the first time I've ever ordered leggings from SheIn, so I wasn't very sure of the quality, but they actually feel really, really nice, and they just don't fit me. I got small, I think. Yeah, I got a small. I think I should have got extra small because they fit a bit more like trousers on me, but they're not bad. They have like a white stripe going down the leg. But no, the quality is actually really good, and they are really, really soft. So there's not a try on of these because they don't fit me, but I will be selling them on my Depop, so I will leave a link to that down below if anyone is interested in them. And now lastly but in no means least, it's probably my favourite part of this little haul, and I got this little bralette and knicker set. Just look how cute this is, and I actually don't have anything in this green colour, which is kind of surprising because I have pretty much every single colour you can think of. Just love this. It's like lace, it's extremely soft lace, it's like mesh material on the inside, and then that is the back. It's just like a little different back. I just think it's so cute. And then these are the knickers. These are the knickers, and then these are like what's it called? These are like suspenders that are sort of attached to the knickers. It looks really odd when I'm holding it up, but once they are on, it looks so cute and a little bit sexy. And yeah, I'm so impressed with this set. I've never ordered any sort of lingerie from SheIn before, but they have so many cute pieces that I didn't know what to get, but these are so cute, and you can actually take the leg bits off, so you can wear it just as the knickers on their own, but they are quite strappy. They have sort of straps on the side, but incredibly soft. So that is my SheIn haul. I hope you like this. I know it's only a little small one, but I don't really buy clothing all that often. I tend to just keep wearing what I've already got. I'm not into all the fast fashion and buying new things just because a designer's brought something out similar. That isn't me. That's why I mainly stick to makeup. So when I do a haul, it's actually things that I'm going to keep. Like, none of this is going to be sent back. I'm keeping it all. But obviously the leggings I'm going to put on Depop because they don't fit me. You have to let me know which of these items you like the best. Which would you buy? Which would you think suits me best? I'd love to know what you think. And also, if you've ordered from SheIn before, what do you think? And there's some maybe any items I should look at next. I hope you like my haul, and thank you so much for watching. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos from me. And I'll see you soon with another. Bye!